Hi friends, I'm Zach. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a curved text effect on your canva on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a curved text on your canva. So you can just curve the text like this. So just going to show with an example. So here I just going to curve text in canva. We can just type as this and just make it as a capital letter. So now just select the letter, just go to the effects on the top. Now you have this option called shape. There is it on the none. You just click on the curve. So now here you can just adjust the curve line. So I just zooming out. You can see the curve line can be adjusted by like a circle, like the full circle on the top or below like this. You can just change the circle. So you can just change the circle like this also. This is how you just create a circle or curve text on your Canva. You can just like the curve text. So this is a exact curve text. So this is how you just create the curve text on your Canva. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a beautiful day.